Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. We have already learned how to count numbers in Korean language in both Sino-Korean number system and the pure Korean number system. So if you don't know how to count numbers in Korean, then you can go and watch my video series on Korean numbers on my YouTube channel Korean Express. I will also share the link of that particular playlist in the description. Okay, now we are going to talk about a very special number, that is 0. So let's see how you are going to say 0 in Korean language. Alright, so there are two ways to say 0 in Korean, and both of them belong to the Sino-Korean number system. Okay, and as we already know that the Sino-Korean number system has Chinese origins. Okay, it is derived from Chinese language. So as I said, there are two ways to say 0, but both of them belong to the Sino-Korean system, not the native or pure Korean number system. Okay, so the first one is Young, and the second one is Kung. Alright, so these are the two ways to say 0, and because there are two different words for one number, there has to be some kind of difference between them, and the difference lies in their usage. They are used in different situations. So now let's see when to use which one. First comes young. Let's talk about when we have to use young while talking about Korean numbers. The first usage is when you're talking about score in sports or games. Okay, in various sports and various games we calculate score. Then young is used to denote 0. For example, if the score in a particular game is 3-0 or 3 versus 0, then in Korean it will be said 3-0. 3-0. 3 stands for 3, the Sino-Korean number, and young for 0, and this is versus. So in Korean it is called 대. 3-0. 3 versus 0. Okay, this is how you say score in Korean language. Next, it is used while measuring temperature. In temperature, it is used to indicate 0 degree temperature. So if you want to say 0 degree in Korean, then you are going to say 영도. Okay, this is how we use young while talking about temperature. And third, it is used while doing math. So in various mathematical contexts, young is used to represent 0. Okay, so these are the three uses of young in Korean language while we are dealing with numbers. There are other situations too when young is used, but these are the three, I should say, main or the most important places or ways to use young in Korean. Okay, now let's see when to use kung. So kung is used while talking about phone numbers in Korean language. For example, you have to say this particular number in Korean. So in English it is 01056781234, and in Korean you have to use kung for 0, and the remaining numbers, they are in the Sino-Korean number system. So it will be 01056781234. Okay, this is how you say this particular number in Korean. Remember to use kung for 0. Okay, so in this video we learned how to say 0 in Korean language and also how to use it in the Korean sentences. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.